In this lesson, we are going to explain what is meant by conservation. Conservation is the management of the Earth's natural resources by humans in such a way that the maximum use of them can be made in the future. In other words, it involves the protection and management of ecosystems. In order to do so, this will involve an active intervention of humans in order to maintain the ecosystems and biodiversity. And we have four main reasons for conservation. These are personal, ethical, economical, and cultural. It is personal. This is because we want to maintain our planet and therefore our life support system. It is ethical because other species have occupied the earth far longer than we have and should be allowed to coexist with us. It is economic because living organisms contain a pool of genes with the capacity to make millions of substances, many of which may prove valuable in the future. So, long-term productivity is greater if ecosystems are maintained in their natural balanced state. And final reason is cultural. This is because habitats and organisms enrich our lives. So, their variety adds interest to everyday life and inspires writers, poets, and artists who entertain and fulfill us.